Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how to make a split screen effect onto your video using Capcut Mobile. Okay, so first now you need to import a video that you want to edit. I already insert this first clip of the video, and after that go back to the toolbars and then click this overlay button and then add the overlay. And I will add the second clip, this video, and now you need to adjust the length of the duration. Make sure it has a same duration as the first clip, like this. Okay, and after that you need to adjust the size of this overlay of this video on this of the second clip. Make sure it has a same position or it's fit onto the frame like this. And after that, adding the new overlay, and then I'm going to use this video. And now make sure that every clip has a same duration like this. It's 10 seconds, 10 seconds, and 10 seconds. And now click the last part of the clip, this one. Adjust the size, make sure it has a same position or fit onto the frame like this. And now swipe off the toolbar. Now add the mask, this one. Use this horizontal mask. And now you need to adjust the mask position like this. I think I'm going to put it here. Sorry. Okay, now if you want to adjust the position of the frame, this one, you can adjust it by swiping the frame onto the left side like this. And then go to the mask button again. Now positioning the mask. Positioning the mask like this. And decrease the style, and this is okay. After you finish doing it, wait for a moment. Okay, after you finish doing it, now go to the second clip. Same as the previous clip, you need to add a mask too. Okay, like this, positioning it this. Okay, then you can positioning the clips on the screen like this. Go to the mask one more time, adjust the size of it like this, and then on the first clip you can adjust the positioning of the clip too. And if you finish, this is the result that you will get. As you can see, there's a 3 splitted screen onto this video, and it's just using one tools, that was a mask tools. And thank you for watching. I hope you can make it by your own and do more creative. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.